Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be looking at 4 top CSS frameworks which you should know about and how I rank them in terms of their functionality and usages and what they provide out of the box. Okay. So first on my list is Tailwind. Okay. So Tailwind, as you can see here, Tailwind is a CSS framework. Okay, unlike the rest. Okay, this one is most like utility based. Okay, so it has this minimal kind of classes written for you to actually put them together. Okay, so if you look here in their page, you can see how they are putting things together here. We have something like flex, BG gray with the color and then rounded and stuffs. Okay, so this doesn't ship with a component, although they are trying to make that as a separate kind of, so this is the reason why I think Tailwind is great. It's much flexible compared to the rest, because if you can go out there and then scout for all Bootstrap related websites. You can see their whole design and stuffs are mostly like similar or identical. You see, and it's very hard for you to actually do a lot with it. In my point of view, it's my point of view. Okay. Next on my list is semantic UI. This is also one that I haven't personally used, but a friend of mine have used, and a lot also have given out nice feedbacks. Okay, so one thing I like about this is that it comes with like some form of context for light mode and dark mode. Okay, it has that fused together and some kind of crazy layouting going on. So mostly can work without having to think more about like how would I responsiveness. Okay, because they are mostly component based right now. It's very different from Tailwind. It's components based, and all the components are actually how is it called, responsive. Okay, so the next on my list is material UI. I know a lot of you guys are getting freaked out why it's not first or why it's not first. For me, it's my point of view, bro. Let me see you put in the comment like what you think is first and why. But for me, material UI is third on the list. And so so I feel like material is kind of almost identical to Bootstrap. You feel me? So yeah, they all look the same, except that material has some customization more than Bootstrap. Some might be screaming, hey, Bootstrap has, you can append your own class to, but it's my point of view. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to Bootstrap as the last. I know I've already condemned this from the very start, but hey, Bootstrap is a nice framework for you guys. I remember when I started, I loved Bootstrap. If you tell me there were any other better than Bootstrap, damn, you take a blue. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so this is my top 4 ranking of best CSS frameworks available right now. First on the list is Tailwind, as we saw earlier, a utility based, and then we have semantic UI, material UI at third, and the fourth is Bootstrap. There are many others which I haven't talked about, but hey, let me know in the comments what you think. Okay.